So I got these new under the cabinet lights, and they're so cool. So you can either make them white like that or like a soft white. See how they're like yellow? I am like obsessed. And you could set a timer. You can reduce or increase the brightness. It's kind of blurry now, but this was like the best Amazon find ever. Love them. And it just makes my kitchen look so nice. Okay, I got my little lights for under the cabinet. Real easy, comes in a pack of 6. Just stick that under your cabinet and it's like a little magnet. So you can easily get them on and off. And we have a little button there to turn them on, off, or auto. On auto, you can use your remote control. So let me show you what they look like. Press on. That one's already on. So it lights up your cabinets.
All right, go.
Okay.
I love this under cabinet light. I have 4 under there and look at the difference. Oh, it's awesome. And you can set a timer and you can dim it or brighten it as you need. You can change it from the warmth of the setting. It's pretty cool. I love it. This set of lights is actually pretty neat. I put it on my headboard and turn them on with the remote control. And then you can change the brightness, lower it down. And then turn it off. So before I put in my new kitchen, I bought these lights. See, I'm controlling them from the remote control that comes with it. They made this
New kitchen looks so high end. I can put one there underneath. See, you can turn them off, on, change the color tone. I highly recommend them. They are awesome, and everybody says, oh my God, you spend a lot of money on your underlighting, because we know how it is. And the good thing about it is you can just plug them into your USB, charge them up. So far, they've lasted me a month, so I haven't had to recharge them, so they're really good on charge, so I highly recommend them.